my name is Ankita Das, an HR professional and a GIMS pass out of the 2017-2019 batch. So let me just take you through the journey of GIMS that I had. So firstly, what I like the most about the course is that they offer dual specialization. So every student is given two different aspects to look and learn about the world of business, and definitely you have the best of faculties out there who not only give you theoretical knowledge but also a lot of practical knowledge that is required. And for that you have different marketing fests, cultural events that are conducted wherein one is given an opportunity to come and showcase their talents, exchange ideas, come up with your own innovative ideas. And you have a lot of guest lectures that are conducted pretty often, wherein you have professionals coming from different corporates with whom you get to interact and understand the flavor of business that is there outside, and who give you the overview of the real market scenario. And also what I like the most is that there are personality development programs wherein you are groomed and taught how to be in a corporate environment. And but at the end of the day, everybody looks forward to placements, isn't it? So you don't have to worry much about the placements because the college has really good tie-ups with companies for your placements as well as summer internships. And talking about my placement, I was placed with Caliber Human Resources Private Limited. It's a recruitment firm, and today I'm working with the Hero Group of companies. So yes, overall my journey in GIMS has been really good, and definitely it's a right place for you to shape your career. And yes, I can say that I have stepped out of here as a professional and with a lot of confidence that I came in with. Thank you.
I am Abhinav Raj, a GIMS Kalkaji PGDM pass out 2016-18 batch. I was hired with Amazon as a team manager, and now it has been 2 years since I'm associated with Amazon. When I was doing my PGDM, I'm talking about 2017 and 18, there were more than 150 companies that visited our campus for campus placement. So when you are approaching GIMS Kalkaji, please do not have a second thought, and you are at the right place. All you have to do is to be confident and work hard. Well, what you will be getting in GIMS Kalkaji is a rich, experienced professors, faculty members, a good corporate connection, and a fantastic opportunity to visit corporate offices, getting some live projects done and things.
Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi Sahi and I'm a student of GIMS Kalkaji. It's an immense pleasure for me to share my experience of these 2 years in this college. Our college provides two different courses, that is PGDM Journal and PGDM International Business. Both these courses are NBA certified. I was a student of PGDM International Business. If we talk about the infrastructure of our college, we have well-equipped computer labs, library, auditorium, and even the conference rooms for group discussions and placement drives to be held. Our faculty here are well experts with respect to their field of study. They provide both practical and theoretical knowledge, which helps the whole learning process for a student easy and interesting. Apart from them, we also have experts coming from different fields and giving us knowledge about the current scenarios. As far as career counseling is concerned, we have a dedicated placement committee to whom we can share and discuss our career problems. In my journey, GIMS have contributed towards both my professional and personal growth, which has led my placement to a leading company. I'm happy to be a part of GIMS Kalkaji.